Wow. Okay, here at Cambra's. Well, it looks like I'm losing video again with this smooth software. I'm pretty unhappy about that. So we're going to go ahead and start over again. So it's Cambra's open house. It's April 2nd here in Orange. We got people doing the pogo.
Once, man, you better live it good, man. Oh, yeah.
We got Atomic Coffee here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. PCTV, ComfortVision. Got to reshoot again, man. My darn software, it took a dump on me.
Oh, man.
I can't believe it. I lost all that freaking video. So now I'm just running. We are Devo.
We're gonna do the pogo, right? She's at the girl. She's at the girl. The girl you want.
Hey, if Stewie could talk, you know, if Stewie could talk. All right, guys. Do a little quick walk around again. There's Jonathan's truck, 34, I believe. Good, as always. Beautiful motor. This is just screwed. Oh shit! Just rubbed up against the car. Didn't mean to cuss there, but I did not mean to rub up against that truck. All right, beautiful. Looking across into this row here. Just don't get much better than that, does it? Look at that. Wow. That is a row. Got BlackTop Magazine in the house. Again, Cambra Speed shop.
Yeah, right out of the box.
Single barrel. This is 671 blower. This is a big ass blower here, man. This is always impressive when you see a 671 on top of something like this. Monster blower. Horsepower galore. Cameras. David from Reid and Adam. Hey guys.
Hey there, Patrick.
I just saw you clean up the Hot Wheels table there.
Oh yeah, I'm working on it.
I know, man. You might end up with like $5-6 at the end of the day. Having fun. Why not, right? There's Adam's wagon. There's that motor. Very sweet. Looking good. I can't believe I lost all that darn video from earlier. So hi again.
You lost your video earlier?
Yep, my program failed. The software failed on me again. It's the fourth time.
Like you.
I know, so now I gotta say hello again. Hopefully I can recover it, we'll see. But yeah, it's a software issue, it's not good. All right, this is a great gasser here. We got a Bandit car here today. Oh, and my knee just said, ow.
I see you badmouth that white truck.
There's the Frankentin.
Badmouth me live, baby.
Whoa, somebody got their eye punched in. It's a great one. Buffalo. I'm amazed this thing still runs with that crappy ass wiring job that guy did.
Well, I better not talk. That guy might be listening.
Yeah, you never know. You don't want to be, you know. He might sabotage your wiring job on you.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite shop trucks of all time right here. This is really, this truck here really got me thinking. Really got me thinking about my 71. You know, they've got a lot of the stuff that I was really wanting to do. And I like the mirror set. You know, obviously the shop finish is cool. We got a lot of goodness going on here. Guys, PCTV here at the Cambra open house. Looks like they got all kinds of stuff coming up. They got food going, we got burgers here. This is always a great day. Take a quick cruise around. Get some cars. Once again, there we go. What's up, brother man?
Thunderbird, Thunderbolt.
Nice. You won that, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet. In the races, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Who'd you beat for it? Did you beat Adam? Oh, you got Scotty. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it goes. All right, this panel is just points up perfect. Love this truck here. Look at the motor. Yeah, she's pretty. Yes, sirree, Bob. Everything is fully finished inside this truck. Very, very nice. That's exceptional. Look at his finish. Wheels are good. Pretty sweet. Oh, dude, lots of good times out in the desert, that's for sure. Salton Sea back in the day.
Oh yeah, there was an empty one out there.
We used to go out there, and well, we were more into dirt bikes. And,
right on.
Yeah.
I stayed about a year or two over there with folks. Over there in California.
I always have a healthy respect for skaters because, man, you guys aren't afraid to fall and hit shit. And I'm just, man. All right, we got things going here. Here goes that panel. My 65 El Camino was steering by Armstrong. I used to tell them I had a Hispanic El Camino, and they go, "Why?" Because it's all manual.
Yeah, that's right. You got, hey, with the 480 freaking air conditioning.
That's right.
460.
460. That's right. Well, I actually have 2x60 El Camino.
What's wrong with our base? You know, I don't think it likes you. It tells you like you. It was playing and then you sat down. Yeah, I think it's allergic.
That what happened there? Oh, lost it. Lost his amp. Alright, let's cruise around some more. I gotta go look at this Ranchero. Little set of Ludwigs. Nice little sloop. This is beautiful. I think it's a 39 or a 40, but I love this Ranchero. People heading out. Nice truck. Oh, sweetie. You have a great one, man. You too. That is a beautiful truck right there. Wow. Amazing. All right, let's take a look at this Ranchero. Another sweetheart. A lot of shave work, a lot of work done here. Go. Yeah, this is a sweetheart too. All right.
Next one. Yeah. I didn't expect you to turn out there. Yeah, I got it started, so we'll have our fun. Yeah.
Nice little row here. Was fun. Well, we got a hole. That's that yellow panel that just left. All right. There's all the trucks.
Every month
thank you all for coming out. This is the second one we've had this year,
yeah.
and it's going to be a big hit. We got burgers and dogs on the grill, doing a great job
She did a great job, Tom.
I hope you had a chance
really
to talk
did.
to Ron Cambra. He's got a couple of the cars they built here in the front, and you're also welcome to come into the shop, walk around, take a look at the cars they're working on. Some beautiful stuff. Don't forget to stop by and Unit Beach and Psychopath Cycle. Say hello to Carl and Dan over there. You got some great products. If you've got a Harley and you need some new parts, you need some service, make sure to hit it over to Psychopath Cycle. And we got, of course, Reid's rod parts, one of your hot rod performance parts in there.
Yeah, Ron, go. There we go.
Let's talk to Jacob at the counter.
You're like, I'll just clang.
We got more coming, so they're coming.
Look at this go. Look at this go.
And I can't reach my stereo, but I'll try to talk above it. That side. And also, if you live within 10 miles from here and you need it delivered, we can deliver the parts you order from us at Reid's here and get right to your place. So we got that handy for you as well. So we got all kinds of great raffle prizes from Adams Polishes. They came out this week. My friends over at Trader Tim's Tie Downs. We got a great 9-piece tie down kit we're going to offer away in the raffle. Some cool stuff from McGuire's from tire finishes. And Carl at Psychopath also donated this Harley Bar and Shield neon clock to give away, as well as Reid's Rod Parts t-shirts. So we got some great prizes here. Don't forget to come up and take a look at the latest issue of BlackTop Magazine. And we also have a trading card. So if you want your car on a trading card, you get 500 cards for 50 bucks. So take a look at that. And if anybody's got a 350 Chevy and they're looking to upgrade it with some cool valve covers, I got some vintage wine valve covers I found this week, and they're for sale on the table here too. So don't forget to say hi to Alexa. She was right behind me. And she's my friend from Everybody Deserves Love, a great nonprofit. And so we got the raffle tickets going. Come on up. And I see Patrick here. Thank you, Patrick. PCTV.
All right, brother man.
All right. Take care, buddy.
All right, bud.